In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to get a card for Cash App. Applying for a Cash Card is a straightforward process, free of hidden fees and customizable to suit your preferences. Begin by downloading the Cash App from Google Play Store if you don't have the app already. Next, launch the Cash App on your Android device and scroll to the bottom of the screen. Tap the rectangular icon to open the Cash Card tab. Click on the Get Free Cash Card button. Select the card's color that you prefer and then press Continue. Decide whether you want the card to display your cash tag and signature or not. Next, you need to type your mailing address in the appropriate field and then hit Next. Carefully review the Cash Card details page and press Continue when you're done. The app will notify you when it's finished processing your card number, and most users receive their Cash Card within 10 business days. In the meantime, you can transfer money to your Cash App balance to be ready when your Cash Card arrives. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.